Hello, welcome to the class of mathematics. Today let us have some simple sums based on chapter 6. Okay, you have learned what are the different ways of representing the sets, and basing on that, and also you have learned how to find the cardinal number of a set. Basing on that, let us have few simple sums. Your first one is write in roster form and give the cardinal number of the following. These two are given in set builder form. We have to write in roster form, and also we have to give the cardinal number of those sets. It is given that x belongs to natural numbers, x is equal to 3n and x is less than 15. Name of the set is not given. Let me write name of the set as A for our easy understanding. What is given is this set is having x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is equal to 3n. 3 means multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. If n is 1, 3 1s are 3, x value 3. If n is 2, 3 2s are 6. If n is 3, 3 3s are 9. If n is 4, 3 4s are 12. If n is 5, 3 5s are 15. But we cannot write 15 because here x is less than 15 given. So x is less than 15 means 15 we cannot write. Suppose here it is given x is less than or equal to 15, then 15 will be included. So you know that you are writing roster form. That means roster form is, this is the way you have to write the roster form. That is listed form or listed method. And also we have to give the cardinal number of the following. Cardinal number means already you have learnt the number of elements present in a set is its cardinal number. So number of elements in this set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let us work out for this. Let me name this set as B. Okay. We know that whatever may be the set, the elements of the set will be enclosed within curly brackets. X is a prime factor of 52. The prime factor of 52. In order to have the prime factor of 52, first of all we must know what are the factors of 52. Out of that prime factors we have to select. Okay. So 52, very easy way how to find the factors. Let me explain you. 152 is a 52. 226 is a 52. 3 is not the factor. That means 52 is not divisible by 3. 4 13 is a 52. 4 1 is 4 3 is a. 5 is not the factor. 6 is not the factor. 7 is not the factor. 8 is not the factor, 9 is not the factor, 10, 11, 12, no, again 13 4s are. That means 1, 2, 4, 13, 26, 52 are the factors of 52. Out of these, the prime factors are, B belongs to, that means the prime factors belongs to set B. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so 2, 4 is composite, 13. These two are composite. Only 2, 13. So the prime factors of 52 are 2 and 13. And the cardinal number of this set is 1, 2. Only here 2 elements are there. So its cardinal number is 2. Okay. Now let us have another variety. Variety in the sense here roster form is given to you. We have to write in set builder form. Just reverse of this. Here cardinal number asked, here not that. Only roster form we have to convert to set builder form. Whenever you write set builder form, you have to write like this. X as that, and after that as per the given question. So let me name it as P. P is equal to X such that we can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All these are prime numbers. So very easily we can write x such that x is a prime number, but all the prime numbers are not their prime number, and x is less than 20. Means up to 19 are there. So less than 20. Or you can write x is less than or equal to 19 also can be written. If you write x is less than 21 also, 20 is not a prime number, you can write. Okay. Now, so only set builder form was, I did that. Now let us work out for this. Let me name this set as Q equal to, when we see the given numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. As we see them, we can know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So let us write Q equal to x such that x is equal to n square, where n, what are n? N belongs to natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all natural numbers, and x is less than 1 to 49 are there. You can write x is less than 50. X is less than 50 I wrote. If you write n, you can write n is less than 8. Or this way also you can write. If you won't write x, you can write x equal to n square, and belongs to natural numbers, n is less than 8 also can be written. That means less than 8 is up to 7. 7 square is 49. Any way you like, you can do. Okay. Now one more variety let us have now. So your next question is, write the following sets in roster and set builder forms. That means the given form is description form. We have to write both in roster form and also set builder form. Okay. Let me name this set as X. Place values of 7 up to 10,000s. We know place value of 7. If 7 is in ones place, place value of 7 is 7. If 7 is in tens place, place value is 70. If 7 is in hundreds place, 700. If it is in thousands place, 7,000. If it is in 10,000s place, we get 70,000. So these are the place values of 7 up to 10,000s, and we have written those numbers. So this is your roster form. This is roster form. Now let me write in set builder form. Set builder form is very easy. We can write x is equal to, so this one capital X, name of the letter x, such that simply we can write this. X is a place value of 7 up to 10,000s. In this case, we cannot write in any other way. This is your set builder form. Okay. Now let me work out. Let us work out for this next one. Let me name this set as 1. Multiples of 4 from 40 to 50. From 40 to 50. Starting from 40. Yes, 40 is a multiple of 4. Next, 44. We know that 4 10s are 40. 4 11s are 44. 4 12s are 48. After that, 50 is not there. Only this much. This is our roster form. And let us work out for the set builder form. So, set builder form, we can write x as in x is a multiple of 4 from 40 to 50 we can write. Or other way also we can write x as that x is equal to 40n, where n belongs to natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers, and we can write x, or here 40 started from 40 and 48. So we can write 40 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 48. That means 40 and 48 are included, and x is in between also. So different ways this one we can write. You can write x as that x is a multiple of 4 from 40 to 50 also can be written. So these are the some ways how to convert from one form of the set to other form. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.